Okay, to clean up your surface table, you only need a wire brush, a key to open the nut grinder. Your safety is first. Your safety is first, so I will put these gloves on my hand. This is the pure stone plate that will remove these types of welding, and this is the plate that will remove rust with thin working. So these are the things you need to clear these type of a plate that is, you can see it is rusty. This is rusty table. To remove these rust, we will put these glasses for safety, and these gloves also for safety. Do not use these tools without safety, because safety is first and second is work. Put these gloves on your hand to save from any injury. Okay, open your nut and tight put this stone plate on the grinder and tight it like this side. Tight it. Okay, first we will apply this type of welding spots, this solid stone. This is the solid stone. First we will apply this solid stone. First of all, clean your plate with wire, and second we will apply this plate. First of all, clean the surface. Clean the surface area and then start your grind. To start your work, first of all, make sure the stone is so tight. Sorry. Lock it from here and check it if it is tight. Then apply before on welding. Our first phase is completed. Our first phase is completed. Now we are moving to the second phase, in which we apply this plate to clean the plate. You can open with the hand or you can open with this opener. Put it here and tight it like this, as I am tightening this plate. This will clean all the rust from our work plate. First of all, clean the plate with the wire brush. Okay, then check it. Here we will work like this, 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 not like this. This is the wrong way. This is the right way. Work as this I am working. Okay, we have done this. As you can see, this plate, this is now clean plate. Okay, okay,